Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got part 2 of my Amazon haul Prime Day unboxings. Alright, so this one I was extremely excited to get. But before I open it and show y'all what it is, I just want to say hi to all my subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I would highly appreciate it. And I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, so this one I could not pass up, y'all. I couldn't. Now, a little irritated, yes, but no. All right, so as I'm scrolling, because I don't sleep either. In my 50s, I have insomnia. So, I scroll. Well, I seen this on the Amazon. And y'all, this is, well, let me roll it backwards so that it'll lay flat. But this canvas is I think it was a 70 by 40, I think is what it is. Alright, so I'm probably going to have to adjust my camera. But look, y'all. Oh my God. Alright, so yes, it is a 70 by 40. This is poured glue round, and y'all, it was on the Amazon Prime for $8.99, and it was a regular, I think it was $19 and something that day. As of yesterday, when I was looking to write down all the info, it was still $8.99. So, Amazon Prime Days is over. So, I don't know if I got because of the price, if they might have hiked the price up, and then made it look like it was on sale for Amazon Prime, or if they just decided to leave it at $8.99. I don't know, but it's a great deal for a 70 by 40. Alright, so in this kit, it's just a regular kit. You get a squishy, a green boat, a thing of wax, some baggies, a pink pen with a 3-placer. Alright, you get a bunch of drills. Okay, look at that. Aren't those pretty? Alright, let's look at the drills real quick. And I'm going to go through this really quickly because I want to at least try to get a couple canvases in each video. So, I don't want to spend a whole heck of a lot of time on showing y'all drills. So, the canvas number is on the drills, same as up here on the canvas, but there are no DMC numbers on the backs, but that's okay. So, we have got all of these, and like I said, I'm not going to go through and tell y'all what colors this stuff is, because let's see. That's a pretty green, though. And these look pretty good. I don't think I'm going to have any issues with any of these drills. These are orange, but in my camera it looks yellow. But look at them. Aren't those pretty? Wow. Very, very, very pretty. And this is black. So 1, 2, 3. There's 4 bags of black. Alright. So that's the drills. So what do y'all think about this picture? Y'all, drills and chills. Absolutely. There was another one that was this same size, and it was the same price, but I didn't like it as much. So I went with this one. But you can see there's, I think that's supposed to be a bat. Or maybe it's another ghost or something. I don't know what that is. But there's a ghost. There's one ghost there. There's a ghost. Let's see, we've got some tombstones. We got a big old moon. And it looks like a castle in the back. We've got jack-o'-lanterns. I think that's a mushroom. We've got the path that leads up to the castle. There's a tombstone. There's another one. There's a fire. There's the cauldron. The witch, she is casting her spell. There's some bats right there, right by her hat. There is a spider web with a spider. Here's the tree. There's a skull. There's a jack-o'-lantern with the witch's hat on. There's another jack-o'-lantern. There's tombstones. There's a black cat. More tombstones. Y'all, this is so cool. So cool. I really like it. And it looks like there is something right there. I don't know if maybe that is a rat. It might be. Can y'all see that? So, let's see. Very sticky. There are 30 colors, and it is all in numbers and the alphabet. And there are a couple symbols, but that's it. There is the DMC on the schematic, which it has the thumbnail right there. I don't know if you can really see that really well, but anyway, they've got a thumbnail and the schematics on the top left and on the bottom right. So I'm just going to bring this up some so we can look at the drill field. Now, as you are looking right there where the black is, now that is a little dark. So that I'm probably going to have to use the light pad, but I don't care. I like this canvas. The rest of it looks really clear. It really does. I think the only spot is going to be the black. Now, it does look pixelated, but it is going to be one of those that's going to look a whole lot better once it's done and you're looking at it further away than up close. And I don't know why anybody would want to get like nose to nose with the witch just to be looking at it. You stick it on your wall and people look at it from a distance and they ooh and all over it. So, all right. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to put this one up and I'm going to grab another. Okay, I am back. Now, let me see. I've got all these listed over here on a piece of paper and I'm just kind of marking them off as I tell y'all. All right, so this one, y'all, I was really excited about this one also. Now, this one was not on sale, but I mean, I grabbed it anyway because I liked the image. Now, this is a round poured glue. In it, you get your standard toolkit. And then here are the drills. And this is square. Oh, cool. I thought it was going to be round, but this is square. Cool. All right. This is what I got, y'all. Isn't she cute? She's listed, I think, as Pink Girl. But it's a 30 by 40. And I just thought it was so cute. She's got pink hair. She's got a blue and white bow in her hair. And I think that's supposed to be like the little skull with the X's in its eyeballs. She's got pink glasses. And she's got a pink sucker. And the background is blue. But isn't she cute? Y'all, I love this one. This one is going to be fun. So, it has 24 colors. There's a schematic on the bottom left, top right. And this one is numbers and letters. No DMCs, y'all. No DMCs. So, this one was $4.99. And I know I have a glare. My husband just went to work. He's on nights this week. And I was waiting for him to leave so that I could do some videos. And it's like 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's getting a little dark outside. And I have my overhead light on. So that's where the glare is coming from. But I am so glad that this is square. So, alright, so we've got a lot of pinks, of course. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Aren't those two pretty together? Oh, my Lord. Oh, and then those two. Wow. You know what those put me in mind of? It puts me in mind of, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but we used to have a ice cream shop. And it was the bubblegum ice cream. And it had like those two colors was in it. And y'all, you do know where I live. Here in Western Kentucky. This is the home of Dippin' Dots. And y'all, I ain't even going to lie. I have never, ever, ever, ever had Dippin' Dots. How crazy is that? But yeah. These are really pretty. And it does have the canvas number on the bags. Same as what's on the canvas. But no DMCs in this one, y'all. That sucks. So, alright. What do y'all think about this one? For $4.99. Now, it is a little pixelated. But I don't care. I like it. Very sticky. Very, very, very sticky. And the drill field looks pretty good. Looks really good. I mean, the lines in it are a little dark. But with a square, if the drills are good drills, they're going to sit right up against each other. And you're not going to be able to see those lines in between the drills. So what do y'all think? This one's a kind of a long video, so I'm just going to do these two, and then we will do some more videos in a minute. So, what do y'all think about this one? $8.99 for this one, and this one was on the Prime Day. And like I said, I don't think it was like $19, and it was marked off, and it said $8.99 Prime Day. But it's still showing it's $8.99 as of yesterday. And then this one was $4.99. Not a Prime Day deal. It was just $4.99. So, what do y'all think? I love them. I love both of them. Yes, I do. And this one, you could bling that up. And her sucker, you could put some sparklers in there. Yeah. Well, with both of them, you can take, look, on this fire, we could take and just put some ABs in there. I have got sparklers and crystals. Oh, wow. The things we could do. All right, y'all. So, I appreciate all of you watching, and give me some comments, some feedbacks down there in the comments section, y'all. I appreciate each one of you, and until next time, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.